Namaste everyone. So here I am to give you some important updates about Namaste AI course. So there are 5 things I want to talk about. The first thing is that the season 1 is launching on 15th of August, Independence Day at 11 a.m. sharp, only on namastedev.com website. So we have been getting a lot of complaints where some scammers are sending you links over email or your Telegram groups or some WhatsApp groups with some fake links, right? Please don't fall for them. Our course will only be available on namastedev.com website and nowhere else. Okay. So the official website, make sure you are only giving money and paying on official websites, no other link. Okay. Make sure you are getting those links. If you are getting a link that is from the official source. Okay. Please make sure, very sure. And don't pay on some random Razorpay links or any other PayPal or Stripe links. Only on namastedev.com website. I'm focusing a lot upon this because this is very, very important. I don't want any of our students to get scammed. The second thing I want to talk about is the preparation from our side is going really very well. Okay. So I am continuously shooting videos, trying to prepare content as much as possible. I am pushing myself a lot and my whole team is busy working to make sure that the website is up and ready for the launch day. We are scaling our servers and we are making sure the website is ready and the videos are hosted properly so that if the traffic increases and a lot of you watch those videos, so everything goes smooth for you, right? We are making sure that everything works well. And a lot of people don't have mobile apps, so you can also download Namaste Dev mobile apps because the course will also be launching on Namaste AI will be launched on Namaste Dev mobile app as well. Okay, so the app is also available on Android as well as iOS. So you can just go and install the app. So it will be there in your phones as well. It will be very handy for you. The third thing which I want to talk about is some people were asking us for pre-launch offers and pre-launch sale. So there is no pre-launch offer and pre-launch sales. I don't like and believe in that idea. I feel that, I only want to take money from you once I give you something. So season 1 will be launched. Go ahead, purchase the course, start watching the videos, and that's when I'll take your money. Okay, I don't want to take your money before I give you anything. Okay, so it will only be launched on Independence Day because some scams are going on where people are saying, oh, Namaste AI pre-launch has already started, so pay over here. Don't fall for it. Okay, please don't fall for it. I know my students are smart. You people are very smart, right? You are learning AI now, so I know you people are smart. So the third thing I want to talk about is discounts. So, discounts, some people are asking us for discount coupon codes and everything. So let me tell you, the course is being launched on Independence Day and over that weekend, the price will already be dropped, right? So it will be the lowest price that point of time. After the weekend, we will slightly increase the prices. So try to enroll as soon as possible. For discount coupons, make sure that you are connected with us on our WhatsApp channel or Instagram channels or on Discord. These are 3 places where we will give you discount coupons, which can get you maximum discounts. Okay, so those are the 3 right places. The other thing is, please stay connected with us on all the social media apps for updates. So we'll be posting up updates about regularly about Namaste AI and whatever progress we have made. The last thing is, I want to talk about the refund policy. So we have a very open and transparent 7 days, no questions asked, 100% refund policy. Okay. So we have, you get full money back, 100% money back in the same account where you paid from if you don't like our course. Okay. So buy the course only when you want to actually, test us, right? So basically, suppose the season 1 is out, you buy the course, watch it for free, right? How much ever you want to watch, just check if you like the content, if you like my teaching style, if you like everything about the course. If you are, make sure, keep it with you. If you're not sure, then take 100% of your money back. We don't want your money if you don't like our course, right? And some people are there who are asking, shall we wait for season 2 and season 3 to release before we make a decision? Of course, why not, right? Please, if you want to check the content of season 2 and season 3 before you want to, buy the course, then you can wait for season 2 and season 3 to be released. After that, you purchase the course. And then if you like it, you can keep it. Otherwise, 7 days from your transaction date, you can take 100% of your money back. That's a very transparent policy, and it's not just for Namaste AI, it's for any course that we launch. That's a transparent policy we have kept so that we can build trust in our students. And I am 100% sure about my content, so why not? And let me also tell you, I don't want to take your money if you don't like the content. You don't like the content, take your money back. We are happy, you are happy, everybody is happy. So that's all. I'll keep on coming up with more and more updates. So thank you so much for trusting in us. Thank you so much for believing in me. I'll see you in Namaste AI on Independence Day, 15th of August. See you. Bye-bye and Namaste.